True freedom. Believing, ye rejoice with joy unspeakable. 1 Peter chapter 1 verse 8. Christ is the answer to sadness and discouragement. This is a world of thwarted hopes, broken dreams, and frustrated desires. G.K. Chesterton says, "Everywhere there is speed, noise, and confusion, but nowhere deep happiness and quiet hearts." A Hollywood columnist wrote about a famous movie star. "The bright, carefree radiance has gone from her pretty face. Optimism and cheerfulness are products of knowing Christ." If the heart has been attuned to God through faith in Christ, then its overflow will be joyous optimism and good cheer. You will never be free from discouragement and despondency until you have been tuned to God. Christ is the wellspring of happiness. He is the fountainhead of joy. Here is the Christian secret of joy. Learn more about the Christian secret of joy. Prayer for the day. By your love I experience the delight of a quiet heart. Deep down is the joy that cannot be taken away. Lord, may I always keep my eyes on you, my source of joy.